Hello everybody, this is Mylow from Magnetic Motors #1. Everybody wanted me to pull this disc apart. Okay, here's your stator assembly. Okay, and here's your platter right here. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show everybody that let me get this over here. This thing, by the way, is very heavy. To show everyone that get this good handle on this. There. Okay, to show everybody the underside of this disc. Okay, I don't know if everybody can see that. There's no wires here. There's no motors here. I'm sticking my finger in there. There's nothing in there. There's nothing underneath here. This is a solid piece of metal made out of aluminum. Okay, let's put this thing back on here. It's pretty hard to do this. Okay, make sure everything is lined up here. Okay, get this thing. Gotta get this thing back in the middle. I'm just adjusting this thing here, everybody. Okay. Get the stator assembly back up here. Just bring the stator assembly back on the those little pieces of wood there. The reason why I do this is because I want to make sure that this thing can. Now I have to adjust this, so bear with me, everybody. Every time I do this, I gotta adjust this thing. Okay, I gotta make sure that everything falls in place. Okay? Make sure that everything is here. Get the stator assembly going this way. Okay? So, let's see if we can get this thing to go. Okay? Let's see if we can get this thing to go. Alright. As you can see, I showed everybody. See, it's starting on its own. As you can see, this is going all on its own, everybody. So, there's nothing there. I showed everybody the disc underneath there. And I'll let you guys enjoy this. We need to adjust this stator assembly more. See if we can get this thing to go faster. Now I'm adjusting it that way. This adjustment that goes up this way and that way, what that does, it focuses the magnetic energy more towards the middle of these magnets, which is more focused and concentrated magnetic field there. But again, I do the best I can to get this thing going. Let me see. I don't know why it's not going that. I don't know why it's not going any faster. But here, see. That's why I made this stator support, so we can get this thing to go. I got toothpicks in here that I use to eliminate the little gaps that it's got in there, so it won't be making these weird noises before the mold clicking things. It should be building up speed here. I'll let you guys watch it for a second, and then enjoy the video. Just watch the video and see what you guys can come up with. Okay? But there it is. Now this time, again, I switch these around to make it good. I can make this thing go this way or that way, but I switch these around so I can go the other way, just to see what would happen. Again, in the beginning of the video, I showed everyone that this thing is, it is what it is. Should build up speed. Let's see how many minutes we got here. We're in 4 minutes. Okay. Let me turn down the TV because there's too much noise here. Anyways, let me turn down this. As you can see, the motor is still continuing to spin. Again, I showed everybody this this spinning before. I'm gonna let it spin for a while. Let's see if it'll go any faster. I don't know if it's gonna go any faster. Might find its equilibrium speed and stay in that speed. But everyone, please, I'm trying to do whatever I can to prove that the validity of this thing, but I don't want to deal with this anymore. Again, like I told you, everyone out here, I do not want to deal with this anymore because of all the horrendous ridicule that I have gotten for the last 4 months. Of course, I have different type of varieties of motors that I built on this same platter. No, I don't have different bearing assemblies. I only got one platter. This was my ultimate goal. My ultimate goal was to have a self-starting motor, okay, and to show everybody that this thing can go forward and backwards, or forward and reverse. The table's leveled. What I did is I got this cool little rubber material so this thing won't slide. Again, this stator assembly is being pulled down by the magnetic forces that are involved here. So it's being pulled down, so this thing is not going to slide and it's not going to jiggle this way because the gapping is way far. I estimate that the gapping is about almost 2.25 inches between the tops of these magnets and the bottom of this stator assembly here. And I think this controls the speed. If I had some kind of adjustable elevation on this thing, I think it will control the speed. That's why I find that it's comfortable with the one speed that it's got. But anyways, let's see how many minutes I got on my camera. We have 7 minutes 30 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little walk around. Okay. Again, as you can see, there's nothing influencing this motor at all. All it is just a motor. There's the bottom of it. Let's see if we can show you the bottom of this table again. There's nothing there. All right. There's nothing there. There's just the thing spinning. All right. You can see there's no motors. Nothing. Everybody. Just nothing. Just there's the stator assembly. Okay. There's no wires. There's nothing. This table's just. And it's a 1-inch thick table. I couldn't possibly drill through this thing, yet alone get this thing to go the way it is. But there's nothing to this, everybody. I don't know. I don't know how much more I can show. There's 8 minutes 29 seconds, 30 seconds. Okay. Here's there. Right. What I want to do is I want to pull the stator assembly and the shaft bearing. I want to pull the platter out before it ends. But I'm just trying to satisfy the people out there that this thing is real, okay, and that there's no fakery here, nothing. I couldn't come up with some stuff like that. I'm not capable of doing things like that. But 9 minutes 8 seconds, everybody. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and stop it. Now watch this. This is very strong. Okay. Now I'm stopping with my 2 hands, getting this stator assembly off of here, showing everybody that there's nothing to this. Okay. I want to show this. Look, it's just the bearing assembly. I don't know how much more closer I can get there. There's no motors in there, man, everybody. Okay? 9 minutes 40 seconds. And I hope everyone enjoys my video. And that's about it. Thank you very much.